Hey YouTubers, welcome to another episode of VGO Tech. Here, I just barely received this. This is the OptiShokz sunglasses. As you can see, they just barely came in. And you can see the sunglasses with some different type of frames. So let's get started. This was another crowdfunding sunglasses that I did. And the interesting thing about these is that, ooh, nice packaging. As you can see the packaging in here. The interesting about these sunglasses is that you can listen to music, bone conducting sunglasses. So as you can see, let's open up. These are just, see what we have in here. We have the Reeves bone conducting sunglasses. I got the sapphire blue one. It does have interchangeable lenses. It does have IP55 sweat resistance, 6-hour battery life, bone conduction audio, sports. As you can see here, very good packaging. And there's the OptiShokz. And let's see what else they have in here. This is a multifunctional headwear. This is a thank you right here, as you can see. I've tried bone conducting headphones before, and it didn't work out too well. So, but these I saw were a little bit different. So this is a headwear. I'm not sure how you would wear this, but I decided to try it again since I read that these OptiShokz pretty much they specialize in bone conduction. And as you can see here, this is these are the amber sunglasses. And these are these sunglass holders. So we'll put it right there. Move some of the stuff out of the way. And let's get started. Trusty knife again. Very sharp. Don't get cut with it or you'll bleed a lot. I accidentally cut myself once and it was not good. So here we go. They have different color also, but blue is my favorite color. So that's why I decided to get blue. I'll put a link on the website on where you can purchase. See, OptiShokz. Nice box. Nice case. Warranty card information right here. Sunglass holders. Regular USB, wish it was USB-C. And this is the nose tip right here. Extra nose tip. You also have some other information and how to get started. Stuff like that. So let's look at the sunglasses themselves. Very nice case. As you can see here, sapphire blue. Open up. It folds 2 times. So it folds, it's like a transformer almost. Folds here, here, and it folds here, here. I'm assuming these go behind the ear. See, very nice. It's like a clicking mechanism almost. When you open it, click, it locks into place. It says here you have the OptiShokz, and here you have the USB, micro USB charger. Then on this side right here, there's a plus, minus, play, and pause. So it's a multi-function. There should be an LED indicator right here. Then this is the volume button, and this is the multi-function button. So as you can see, when I hold the button down, it's trying to pair right now. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna try to pair it to my phone. Got my Bluetooth on. I'm gonna try to pair it to my Note 9. Oh, there it goes. Rev by OptiShokz. Pairing. Connecting. Okay, it's now connected. So that was pretty straightforward for connecting. Let's see if I can play some music. See if we can hear anything coming out. Just gonna play some. As you can hear, I have it on low. They work pretty straightforward. So the ultimate thing would be the test. So I'll test these out and see how they work. Hopefully I'll have better luck with this bone conducting other than my previous past bone conducting headsets. And there you have it. These are the Revi's OptiShokz bone conducting sunglasses. And that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe as I will have more projects coming. Thank you, everybody.